Okay. So, hello. I'm finally happy that I got the NES Classic Edition. So before I'm gonna go to sleep, well, today is my birthday. So I finally got it. Since I knew that April 2017 it was completely sold out with this, so I was upset for many times. But then I just moved on to something else, and then I realized that it came back. So I can't wait to open this. I'm going to open this. I mean, before I'm gonna show you, I want to show you my the box. Right here they say 30 games, but I can see there's only just 6, but I think there's more on the back, so there's more on it on the back, and the side shows you the NES Classic controller for what it does. I'm not sure if you could see that. I don't know. And then you could also show it on this side for NES console. And on the top it says the classics, and then on the bottom, um, well, and then they also shows you everything, how many games that you have, and and I think, I mean, I love to play Super Mario Bros. I don't really a fan of Super Mario Bros. 2 very much. Mega Man 2, I don't know if I could play that. Balloon Fight, I kind of like Balloon Fight. And Final Fantasy. Oh, Super Mario Bros. 3 is my favorite one, and can't wait to play Donkey Kong and Dr. Mario. Well, anyway, so and enough of that. They only show you the list of the games. So there you go. So let's jump right into it. Okay. So yeah, open it, open it. There you go. And it says now you're playing with power right there. So let's open this. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Alright. So they have some extra some I'm not sure what is it, but they got a controller, I guess. Ooh. Oh man, I love that touch. The controller. I love this. So there you have that, and then you have a small system, and I am surprisingly that I can't believe it's now is a small buttons, and actually it's not opening. So, but I think it's a good small size that I never expect. And then you have charger. So yeah, what else? Alright, open this. Oh, then you have this part right here, and and then you have TV connection. There you go. And I think that's it. Actually, in the unfortunate part, you have in this small system you have the um, two connections. But when I check on it, you only got one controller, so you don't get two. So probably you had to buy another one, probably. But I'm okay with just one controller because I am a single person. So yeah. So and let's see what it also says. They have having a warning safety for agreement information. So always keep safety from before playing video games like that. Ooh, ooh. Okay. And then they have the NES Classic Edition poster and with instructions on the back. So you have that. I mean, and that is really impressive looking. I wish they would have sell on everything for that. So I will be very glad. Did I show you on the back? Probably. Yeah. Let's see, where's okay, there you go. So yeah. So I think you're supposed to take this out actually. So you just gotta take this thing out and just bring this in, and they have that. And then all you gotta do is extend it various longer. So probably you might wanna connect the number 1 and 2 in that case, and probably you gotta connect it here, because if you wanna play as player 1, you had to play as number 1. So, and then to take it out, I think there's some buttons to press, and then you take it out. So plug it in, take it out. So yeah. So anyways, I think that is it. I mean, I can't wait to play this. There's many games that I want, especially Super Mario Bros. 3. So subscribe to my channel and take care, everybody. Going to bed.